The beginning, COBOL and the age of business computing.
COBOL, short for Common Business-Oriented Language, was developed in the late 1950s and early 1960s. It became the backbone of business computing, powering payroll, banking, and government systems. Designed for readability and reliability, COBOL allowed companies to automate complex accounting tasks and manage large-scale data processing, setting the foundation for how computers would be used in business.
The rise of new languages, adapting to change.
As business needs expanded, new programming languages emerged. Languages like C, Java, and Visual Basic offered greater flexibility, power, and easier integration with modern systems. Companies moved to these languages to build more interactive applications, run on a wider range of hardware, and respond to rapidly changing business requirements.
The emergence of Python, simplicity meets power.
Python debuted in the early 1990s and quickly gained popularity for its clear syntax and versatility. Python made programming more accessible, letting developers focus on problem-solving rather than complex language rules. Its vast library ecosystem supports everything from web development to data analysis, making it a top choice for modern enterprise and startup projects alike.
Why the shift from COBOL to Python matters.
Moving from COBOL to languages like Python reflects major changes in technology and business culture. Modern languages encourage rapid development, collaboration, and adaptability. By switching, organizations can update legacy systems, streamline operations, and meet today's demands for data-driven applications while appealing to a new generation of tech talent.
Career insights, evolving with business programming.
Understanding the history from COBOL to Python helps technology professionals see how business needs shape the languages we use. Learning modern languages opens new career paths, while COBOL skills remain valuable for maintaining legacy systems. Being adaptable and ready to learn is the key to thriving in today's technology landscape.